Hi, I'm Emma. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule multiple tweets in seconds using the bulk Twitter post scheduler on Circleboom, an official X Enterprise developer. First, log into Circleboom Twitter and go to the X AI Writer for Creator section on the left menu. Select Bulk Schedule to open the bulk scheduling interface from the drop-down menu. Then upload your CSV file. You can either drag and drop the file into the upload area or click the upload button and select the file from your computer. Before uploading, make sure your CSV file follows the correct format. The file should include the proper column headers, and each row should represent one tweet. You can include tweet text, image URLs, labels, and scheduled posting times. Preparing the file correctly helps prevent scheduling errors. After that, review your imported tweets. Once the CSV file is uploaded, Circleboom shows all the tweets in a preview list. Valid tweets are clearly marked, while any invalid ones show the reason for the error. If you want to stay organized, you can also select tweets and add them to collections for easier reuse later. Then, when everything looks good, click the Schedule Posts button. Circleboom will automatically schedule all valid tweets according to the posting times in your CSV file. After that, you can also enable cross-posting. Circleboom allows you to automatically share the same tweets on other platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Threads, and Blue Sky. Just choose the connected accounts and your tweets will be published across multiple platforms at the same time. Finally, go to the Outbox to manage your scheduled tweets. Click Outbox to view all scheduled posts in the list or calendar view. From here, you can check posting dates and times, edit tweets, or remove scheduled posts whenever you need. And that's how you schedule multiple tweets in seconds with the bulk Twitter post scheduler. Happy Circlebooming!